Here's another quick tip. Say you got a bolt that you can't reach. This goes way up in there. Now I can't get my hand in there, let alone get it started. But what you do is you take a tube and you glue a magnet to the end of it. That way you can take the bolt, make sure you get a nice strong magnet. You can stick it right to the end, feed it up in there without too much hassle, and that way, if it's a strong enough magnet, you can just turn that and it starts the thread. Then you can pull it out, grab your socket and an extension, thread it the rest of the way.